Weather Lab. Here's Rob's forecast.
Welcome back. Well, it looks like some pretty nice weather ahead. In spite of some cloud cover tomorrow, we're going to have seasonable temperatures, cool at night, mild during the day. That carries into the weekend. Even warmer Saturday ahead of our next frontal system. It's going to bring the chance of showers and storms back to the area and maybe even the threat of severe weather. More on that in just a little bit. First off, though, here's the big picture across the lower 48. Quiet across the Gulf of Mexico. Not so in the Great Lakes in the northeast. And then new winter storm watches being posted up across the high plains in advance of this storm system in the west that has been producing big snows from the Sierra Nevada all the way down to the mountains outside of LA. So, you know, this is a weather system that's packing a punch. Also some snow in around the Las Vegas area and southern portions of Nevada through portions of Utah, then heavy rains across portions of Arizona, and eventually big snows getting up toward the Grand Canyon area with this system, and snow busting out southern eastern New Mexico and rain in El Paso, West Texas, and a wintry mix. And look at us. Very nice weather, but we had a nice front that came on through last night, producing 2.5 inches of rain in some spots, even a little bit more. Other spots down to a third or a half an inch. But the rainfall was kind of much needed after a relatively dry latter part of October going into this month. So we did need the rain. Now we're going to be dry for a couple of days, although we will see clouds coming back in. Fair skies, though, in the near term, with temperatures cooling into the low to mid 50s tonight. And tomorrow, mostly cloudy skies, a few glimpses of the sun. Temperatures will top out in the mid to upper 60s. We'll say 69 with that interval of sun that may last for 20 or 30 minutes. And then as we head into Friday morning, low to mid 50s, but we will see more sunshine, we think, Friday afternoon. It's going to be more inclement back to the west and northwest, back across Texas. But temperatures on Friday getting into the 70s after a morning start in the low to mid 50s. As we take a look at the big picture of the European model, here's that next storm system. This is the West Coast system, going to be producing more big snows across the high plains, but also a frontal boundary that's going to ignite showers and some thunderstorms late Saturday afternoon. I'm thinking more like Saturday evening, perhaps Saturday night. And the Storm Prediction Center has us hatched in for level 2, a slight risk of severe storms, wind damage being the primary threat, maybe an isolated tornado, especially farther to the north. But we'll see if we stay in that slight risk category or go down one category, at least for portions of Acadiana. Then breezy and cooler for Sunday, and then a secondary cool ridge of high pressure moves in for Monday, so progressively cooler Sunday, Monday. Then it looks quiet for the middle part of next week, a benign weather pattern until the next weather maker arrives toward the end of next week. Today looking more like Friday with that next weather system after this weekend's weather system. As for travel plans, if you have loved ones going to the West Coast, expect delays. These are just airport delays, not airline delays, and delays up in Newark and Boston, close to an hour there as well. And then you can add a few more airline delays on top of that. So call ahead with your air carrier to make sure everything's on time. Temperatures tonight, upper 40s to lower 50s, northern parishes of Acadiana. That's right near normal. 48, 49 is the low, the normal for Lafayette. So a few degrees above that, but still cool. Lower 50s, a little bit of a wind chill factor, but not much. And low to mid 50s across the coastal parishes. Then tomorrow, back into the mid to upper 60s. And then as we head into tomorrow night, we'll go with the 50s once again. And then going into Friday, a lot more yellow showing up. That means temperatures getting into the lower 70s. So the turkeys are on the run there, waiting for a ride or trying to get out of town. Looks like nice weather, though, for the rest of us humans with mostly cloudy skies. And as we advance into the next 5 days, that next rain chance coming late Saturday. Looks like Saturday evening, 79 the high on Saturday, 60s on Sunday, then 50s going down into the 30s Monday night into Tuesday morning. So a little bit of everything there with temperatures near 80 and somewhere in the low to mid 30s.
It's kind of like a Thanksgiving lunch right there. A little bit of everything on the plate.
Exactly, and probably too much of everything at one point.
Absolutely, sure thing. Thanks, Rob.